We're gonna watch this guy.
Hi.
Okay, ready? Fix the chainsaw, I think. Ready, set, go! There we go. What is that?
Hey, tubers. All right. So we have here a McCulloch ProMac 55 with chain tensioner because the chain tensioner broke. Now I got these parts from a gentleman in Oregon, and for these vintage chainsaws, his parts that he sold me were relatively cheap, and since this is a McCulloch, the parts are getting harder and harder to find. So this guy down there, it's he didn't ask me to make this video or plug his shop or anything like that, but he is on YouTube, and he works at a saw shop called the Myrtle Creek Saw Shop.